We've shown a node operating locally from my laptop using a router to go to my phone. And we've shown the game running through Telegram on a phone there in Amsterdam. Now this game again is running from a node that's inside of our CTO's home in Amsterdam. And what we want to show you today is how we broadcast that same game through Telegram to myself here in the States. Now it's a pretty good distance to go peer-to-peer from Amsterdam to the States. But we can do this with low lag because of our optimization and because of the gaming hardware. So here's me inside of Telegram here in South Carolina playing the MVR game. This sample game that we had our partners at MVR make for us. Simple game, we wanted a third-person shooter, something that would be able to be played quickly. They are making an animated series and use the same assets for the game as they use for the animated series, which is why you see the cartoon shaders. This was done to prove out that you can create the assets once and use them for many different media, like video games and movies and comic books. I'm going to keep on mowing down these Martians and pick up my 4x bonus here. You'll see the shadows crawl across the character. This game is rendered in Unreal, so it does everything you'd expect Unreal to do. This game will go live in our open alpha test and the whole community will be able to play, top the leaderboards, compete with each other. I'm going to advise you use the laser. It's really, might be a little bit OP. We might have to have the developers tune it for us. Now the reason a studio might want to put their game up on a URL or inside of Telegram, as opposed to or in conjunction with a paid platform, is we can spread this game around very virally. Instead of having to send the link for people to download and install the game, all we're doing is sending the link to play the game inside of Telegram. And then the adoption rate is just tied into how fun the game is. In the interest of time, I'm going to let these guys go ahead and kill me. And I want to show you real quick what happens when you die beyond the scores in the game. You can also post the scores inside of Telegram. And you can see here, even though I'm not the top scorer any longer, I soon will be.
YOM.